guys, I'm doing something that's super dangerous. This is Table Mountain and here's barely any visibility on this road, barely any barriers, so please do not try this at home. Guys, this is Table Mountain here in Cape Town, one of the most iconic mountains in the world. Here's no visibility on this road, so that's why my hazards on. But let's... Oh my word, this is scary stuff, this. I don't even know how far I am from the entrance of Table Mountain, but guys, let's see. I'm putting my whole faith in this DST gearbox. If I'm stuck on this road, I'm done. Like, it's clear, like you can't even see anything. I want to drive with my hazards, but at the same time, I don't want to. Guys, this is... Oh my word, why is my wipers on? Oh, it's the rain sensor. Because nervous. Gotta be honest, because nervous. I'm driving like 20 kilometers per hour. Well, let me put my hazards on. Oh my word, I might be the first YouTuber in this whole country to attempt driving on Table Mountain with no visibility. Is my lights on? Oh, my lights on. Oh my word. Guys, this is... I'm not gonna lie. That's bias scary, honestly. It's so scary I'm talking in my own language. That's when you know. Wait, let me switch off my hazards. Why is there a couple? Legit a couple taking pictures. The reason my sunroof is open is because the tint is so dark. Like when the sunroof is closed, you can't see properly inside the car. So here's someone jogging up this road. Oh my word. As in near, there's no way I'm gonna jog up this road. Keep in mind my car has a rain sensor, so whenever it picks up that there's like mist or something, then automatically the rain sensor the wipers go off. But I screwed now. I was like, yo, why the hell's my wipers going off? And to be honest, I'm kind of nervous driving this car here because last time when I put the car into drive, this Audi, it wouldn't go into drive, and then I was like stuck. So I can't call anyone here. This is scary stuff. Okay, so here's a bit more visibility. But driving backwards is, you can't see anything. Like, here's a bro doing exercises. And last time I came to Table Mountain, I came to Table Mountain, it was misty. So when you come to Table Mountain, make sure that you come on the best weather, because you don't want to come here and it's misty, because then you will not be able to see the whole of Cape Town. Look here, no visibility. Oh my word. Okay, in fact, let me try and do something that's... Guys, do not try this at home. Putting my Audi into sports mode, no visibility. Okay, let me close my sunroof. Driving in manual. First gear manual. Oh, let me just open something at least. Hopefully it's not too dark in the car. By the way, it cost 460 rand per person to go up Table Mountain. So my car has different driving modes, so you can drive in efficiency, which I'm currently in because I want to save fuel. There's a war in the world, petrol is getting expensive, so I'm driving in efficiency, and then I can put the car into comfort, so that makes the steering wheel lighter. Auto, I don't exactly know what this car is doing in auto. And oh, by the way, since we're here, for all the people that's not from Cape Town, this is the entrance of Table Mountain. So they have a Vida Cafe here, and they have buses as well. Afka buses, sponsored by Heineken, if you're a drinker. So basically, yeah, I can drive in dynamic mode as well, which is sports mode, and individual. But guys, oh my word, this is scary. I don't wanna put my foot down on this road because, oh shit, it's raining. When anything happens to car guy, there's not gonna be any videos. Yeah, no we buy cars, no POVs, nothing. You're not gonna hear the reason for the green decker sticker anymore. Oh, let me plant my foot here down this road. See, when I'm talking in Afrikaans, that's how you know I'm nervous. No visibility, it's raining. At least my car is Continental, so proper tires, but this is no GTI, no Ferrari. Downshifts, hey, CLA 55. Nice. Nice, bruda. So I'm in second gear. I'm driving in manual now. Power! Guys, this is me on a weekend. Okay, hopefully my insurance is not watching this video. Planting my car down Table Mountain with no visibility. Okay, let me just drive. Oh, Maserati. Yeah, I'm driving in sports mode. Downshifting, fourth gear. Hopefully you guys can hear. Second gear. Ah, that was fun. That was fun. So this is where I'm gonna end this POV video. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, do you want to see another video like this? Me taking risks, me doing weird things, me doing, you know, myself, me being me. So let me know in the comments, like the video, subscribe, and should we drive in another dangerous environment? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.